Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make a simple grilled chicken recipe. When it's nice outside, our family loves to grill. It adds so much flavor to everything that's cooked on it. Today I'm sharing with you my go-to recipe for grilled chicken. It has a bit of a lemon, garlic, herb marinade, and it is so good. To start, we'll make the marinade. You'll need a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and the juice from 2 lemons, which is about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Now I'm using freshly squeezed, but you can also use the kind of lemon juice from a bottle. I just prefer freshly squeezed because it has a more fresh, bright flavor. You'll also need a teaspoon of dried basil, a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic, if we can get that out. And then you just whisk this together. And that's it for our marinade. We'll pour this over our chicken. Now you can marinate chicken in a small, shallow dish, or what I like to do is use a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. I feel like it really coats the chicken a lot better than using a shallow dish. I just fold over the sides of the bag to create a little bowl, and then you add your chicken breast pieces right in. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs in this recipe, but today I'm using 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Then we'll take our marinade and pour it right over our chicken. Then just seal up the bag. And then I like to squish it around a little bit to make sure all of the chicken is evenly coated. You can see that all of the chicken is well coated and it's sitting right down in the marinade. And that's exactly why I use a plastic bag. Plus, it's less dishes too, and you can actually make the marinade right in the bag. You don't even need to make it in a separate bowl. Let this marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes or up to 8 hours, and then preheat an outdoor grill to medium-high heat, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your chicken directly onto the grill and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. And then you'll want to flip it halfway through cooking. You want to make sure that you keep the lid of the grill closed while cooking. Only open it to put the chicken on the grill, and then again to flip it, and then one last time to take it off the grill so that the grill can maintain a constant temperature. After the chicken is cooked, let it rest on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. You want to give the juices a chance to be reabsorbed into the meat so that you have a juicy bite of chicken. Your actual cooking time will depend on the thickness of your chicken breasts. Thin breasts cook faster and thicker breasts take a little bit longer to cook. Use a meat thermometer to ensure 100% accuracy. Chicken needs to be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.